What's up, guys? Happy weekend. We have some things to do and take care of today. So one of the things is these nails. Look how long my nails have grown. It's time to cut them off. It's time to do something to them today. That's the goal. That's one goal. Second, I got gas yesterday, so we don't need to do that. I just left my doctor's appointment. Everything is well. And now we need to get a car wash and a vacuum. Because, baby, it's more so the front. Because I don't know if I put it in the other vlog, but my blue jacket that I had on, baby, that thing was peeling. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I didn't even believe this. Jacket did not look like this morning. Look at this. It is literally peeling. Look how my jacket is literally. Oh my God. Look how it is literally crumbling. My jacket was beautiful this morning. I can't believe this. This is crazy. I'll be back. That's what we need to do. We need to go to the grocery store. Pack makeup kit. The car wash first. And then the grocery store. So let's go get our car wash. Maybe the traffic is out here now. When I first left out this morning, baby, wasn't nobody outside. Maybe the people done woke up and said they going shopping. They going outside to do something. And the weather's supposed to be in like the 60s. But I guess everybody had the same idea, which was to come to the car wash. Because, baby, when I tell you packed. You can't even see out my window. That's how dirty it is. It's going to be summertime shy. And they got to get their cars clean. Probably do a little B-roll. Because I need to listen to music when I clean my car. I'll be back. My pants, bro. Not my pants, just my thigh is out, baby. You remember both ties or what's that? Yeah, I'm gonna let me go right there. That was a workout in itself. We got to get ready to go through the car wash. The line went down a little bit. And my hands for real, for real. I'm glad I'm gonna do my nails after this. It's smelling good in here. It smells so good. Ooh. Oh, I don't want to touch my face. That's why I had gloves on. But and the gloves started getting caught on the thing today. I was over it. But we're gonna back up so we can get in this long line. So the car wash I normally go to when I get it done to see if they can apply the oil. It's like some, oh, come on, Big Daddy with the G. Big Daddy, whoa, whoa. I want to go to them so that they can apply the oil on my teeth. I feel like I don't know what it is. I've asked them before, but of course they gonna have their secrets. But I just want that shininess. I'll show y'all what the color look like now. But it looks really good. But I like that shine that it gives, especially for the steering wheel, baby. I cannot believe my pants bust. I don't know why that's so funny to me. All I know is I sat there and baby, all I felt was my thigh hit the seat. And I'm like, wait a minute. That's my skin in the seat. And I worn these in a long time. And you a little thicker than you were the last time you wore them. Now, I'm gonna go see if this car wash, if they can just do the oil part. I'm calling it oil, I don't know what it's called. But it's like the shine that they put on the seat and like your dashboard.
Dash, doors, and the seats.
Uh-huh.
It's $16.
Okay.